like, man, I hope it crashes. I'm running out of space here.
I don't think I'm running out of space at all.
So those center 4 holes, right diameter right now?
No, they're smaller.
This is right diameter.
Yeah.
These 2 here are smaller. You can run a reamer through them if you want them real quick, or if you want to. No, I think I understand. Vibration, not good for a tool. Oh, I know what. Get Moby out. Okay.
Get what?
Moby the well. I think I'm going to put it over here. See where that's, like that will make it do one pass around there.
Okay.
First. It's going to cut this right one out first.
Oh,
it's
okay.
Well, actually what it's going to do, it's going to cut them all down. Is that 250 thick?
Yeah, it's...
Okay, so I'm cutting down to 230 on both of them, and it's going to take one pass, go down, and just cut the rest out. One pass. We'll verify the shape. You're going to weld it, huh?
Yep.
Just joking. So when it goes up and comes back down, it's only taking speed.
I mean, I have a camera.
Well, you want that $1 million for that crash episode. There it is. That's what you want, right?
Yep.
Look good. Quarter-inch pins on all those.
Mm-hmm.
Out of stainless, you said?
Not necessarily, no. Yeah, I don't care.
Where can I find the tools on this? Like, I just want tools in it. Can't find, like, I don't know what's going to happen. Square piece, so
There's a hand tapper.
You did it in 117. It's doing the last pass is my guess. I don't know exactly how many passes he told it.
Almost there.
It's running some steps still. I can't tell how many more steps are on the contraption. A lot.
Sounds pretty bad to me. Who's doing it? Sorry. Okay, for welders. For welders. Look for, okay, it's almost. It's going to go down to 230 and then go over the next one and do it. And then it'll come over here, then go down, it'll be one cut.
Okay.
And one of the reasons I clamped that down, because that should, since it's all going to be kind of connected on this one side, it should keep it from moving around too much.
Okay.
Final point. I think you guys should do everybody's got video, but you should do it like a little movie for season or something. I mean, one that they could, put on. Yeah. Pat ever get a hold of you?
Nope. I probably don't have service down here. I have a tower, so depending where I'm standing. What's this thing? Does it kick out to the side? It's just a something that's been cut.
Oh yeah, you might.
It just looks like lathe excess to me.
Yeah, you're right. It kind of looks like a little fucking motor or something, the way it's cut.
For a second I was wondering if it was an edge finder, but it's missing a lot of parts to be an edge finder. These are going to look so nice that I'm just going to weld them.
Well, the weld you won't be able to see, so it'll be all...
It'll be up underneath there, but...
Like, where are you welding on that?
Top side. This is
right.
Gonna be,
right now it literally has that shape to it.
Oh, okay.
And just, it's going to get welded to a plate of steel up underneath, right along that whole edge.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I should stop. You'll put that on the website.
Of course I will.
Cut because that other side.
Yeah, it's jumped over to the other side now. You just slow it down, or? I don't know.
You know, look right here. Be right.
Okay.
Yeah, once it vibrates like that, and the only reason it's vibrating is because it's trying to lift it up.
Oh, okay.
And you got a little bit of loose material in there.
I saw you guys press spindle -10, or maybe -10 feed rate. I don't know which.
Huh?
Magical button did you press?
I don't know. I'll show you that. I mean, only because I don't, you can break it. Yeah, this is spindle and that's speed. I did that one.
Okay.
And if you want to bump it up, hit that.
Is the 10 just a fixed unit, like 10? Oh, it's percent. Okay.
Yeah, and hit this, and you can do it by the handle.
Oh, okay.
But if you forget you have it in there, and you think sometimes it can, if you think you have it in hand from the feed, and you have it in, trying to do the spindle and you have it in the feed, you try to just go like this, you can snap it.
Yeah.
Snap it right off, You'll have it, it'll be a good part. Yeah, it should be fun. If I would have had more 1/4-inch dowel pins, I would have been quarter.
Yeah, well, I'm not told.
It's 7:30.
There's your shot. That's your money shot. You're gonna want to delete everything.
Yeah. I can do that.
Oh, because the screen rotates. And you
Well, yeah. Of course it does. You should have noticed that. This is like a multiple gigabyte file at this point.
Good panning.
Putting that one
The
film.
Academy Award.
Dude,
for
I'm putting that
camera
one film class I had to take to use. Okay.
You took a film class?
I took film 202. It was elective for some bullshit nonsense.
Really? You started at 202?
Yeah, you were allowed to, I guess. I mean.
What did they teach you? How to do camera training?
No, how. I think it was literally like how to analyze films. You watch. We came in every Friday or Thursday or whatever. We watched a movie, and then analyzed it. You know, not everyone was even a paper. There were 2 papers or so throughout the entire thing, and I elected not to do the final paper because I was busy. And still got a perfectly good grade.
Oh shit. Speed it up, speed it up. That's the key. What are you gonna do with this
Stick it
hour
on.
and a half of footage?
It's only 12 minutes right now. Stick it on YouTube.
You're likely gonna get the award for most exciting thing ever uploaded to YouTube. Are you ready for that notoriety?
I don't know, the account name is something really wacky, like Bob Pie 314.
Bob Pie.
314, yeah. He might be up in the lab just doing his part. I mean, I don't.
The room upstairs is a lot.
Yeah, I locked it because we're not up there. I mean,
Kind of inconvenient, isn't it? Well, you know what they could do is just put one of those. They're not as expensive as one of those slots. We put your ID in, yeah, and then it would just program the teams that are supposed to be in there.
That's a good idea.
It's cheaper.
I wonder how many of us actually still have our student IDs and know where they are. I'm thinking there are a fair number of us that
I
just
can
don't.
use it for that EE class. We have to swipe every time.
They never made me swipe. They never made me.
From the EE on the end there.
Or
No.
it's just a class upstairs. Oh.
You mean the lab or the actual
The
class?
class.
Okay.
Lecture.
What building do you have it in?
Stalker 103.
Okay, yeah, the only place that has those. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
I took it up in.
If they rip those out of the walls there and put them,
Yeah, they don't need them in that room. They need them in our rooms.
old lock station.
I mean, there's only a network cable going to it. We can just run some wires all the way to our room and just, see what happens.
You swipe and then run.
That's what they needed on 1.5 too. We've talked about it before.
So that's detached now.
Not yet. Almost.
After the center.
After it goes back up there and the top comes up, it'll be. I'll stop it real quick and just take it out, and then you can look at it. If I had a smaller cobalt 4 flute, I would probably just ran it instead of the carbide. It's up 30 there. Roughing it, we could have done it with 2 cuts easily. Alright, see what happens here. You want to look at it before we do the next one?
I'd say
No.
just cut it off.
Well, it's not going to go anywhere because it's bolted in. So.
Yeah.
I mean, it took a lot longer just to put holes in there, and then put holes in the plate, and
Yeah.
that. Where you want it.
Right.
Although I could have saw cut and filed that down.
Well,
I've done it before. Thank you for not. I didn't want to have to see you do that.
plan B would have been just taking the angle grinder to this and sit there until it looks like a kind of a
Yeah.
circle.
You know,
That's what I would have done at home.
plasma cutter,
Yeah.
laser, water jet. Trying to wire EDM up and down to blend up for donation right now. Small one, works too, usable.
It's always a nice feature if you're going to buy it, yeah.
Well, I mean, I'd give him $200 for it. You got to go up and get it. I don't know. I mentioned it to Frank, he wasn't interested. But IT made one. What's nice about it is it'll cut through anything that's even tungsten hardened. It's really good for tooling.
Really?
Yeah, program your tooling, yeah. This one has a 7-inch, up to 7 inches thick, by 85 inches on that. 45. They can be through solid tungsten, carbide, doesn't matter. Material you normally would on the machine, you can't machine or. Yeah, you can open up possibilities for research. I just think you ought to buy a brand new one, 5th axis.
That wouldn't be expensive.
Well, yeah, but on the other side of that is if you want to do research that calls for exotic materials, or then you want to put a hole, even a plunge EDM, you can put 5,000 diameter, 6,000 diameter holes through solid tungsten or material you could never drill through or do it any other way, And okay. Well, it looks good, but looks can be deceiving.